Hey guys, welcome to another Unreal Engine tutorial series. So in this series, I'll be going over how to create a coin pickup that will display on your UI. Also, the coins in the level actually have a purpose, and I'll just quickly demo that now. So if you grab these two coins, walk up to this door, it has the right amount of coins so it'll open. Try the next door, doesn't open. Go back to the coin, walk up to the door and it opens. So as part of this project, I'm going to supply a link to GitHub in the description below, and it will contain some assets that you can have a look at if you like. There's one for traps, there's some power-ups including like speed boost. There's also a health component system there as well, along with some death animations as the player health hits 0. To get to these assets, all you need to do is go to GitHub, create yourself an account if you haven't got one. It's really useful for you. Go to this link. You want to go to code, local, download zip, or if you want to open it with GitHub Desktop, you can. So I'll see you in part 1, where we'll begin to make this project and add the coin pickup to it.